Hello everyone, welcome to Webotep. This is our third video of the series Panda AI. So in this video, we'll be creating the speech recognition function using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. So let's get started. Okay, so in this video, we have divided the video into three different parts. At first, we have to initialize the speech recognition function. Then we will have to give the default configuration in our project. Then, as we have used two languages, Hindi and English, so we have to use the language sense event listener so that the program can understand whether we are speaking in English or whether we are speaking in Hindi. Then, if we want to give the command to the to the chatbot, okay, in that case, we will press a button and the program will listen to us. For that, we will have to create the start recording function. And if we release the button, the program or the chatbot will stop listening to us. That we will be calling as the stop recording function. And then I will be giving you the complete JavaScript code. Okay, not to worry. All right. So at first, we have to initialize the speech recognition function. What we will do now is to go to the Sublime editor. And just below the quotes, I will simply copy these lines. And here, I will initialize the speech recognition function. All right. Once done, then we have to make the default configuration. So we have defined the default language is English, the American English. Then if we want to change the voice from English to Hindi or from Hindi to English, in that case, we will be adding the event listener for changing the language. Next, we will create a function for recording our voice. So this is a simple JavaScript function. Record voice JS function or simply function. And let us paste the code over here. And whether the function is working or not, we can test it by the console log. Okay, you can remove it if you don't want to test or if your testing gets completed. And then we will release the record button. And for that, we will again create a function. And this function will be called as the stop recording function. So this is all. Now we will simply go to this page and we have not seen any changes or any difference. Why? Because all the changes which we have done is in the JavaScript section, but we have not added the ID of this JavaScript in our HTML. Now we will scroll down the page a little bit. You can simply copy all the code from here and then add the JavaScript ID to your HTML section. In the next video, we will learn how to make the changes in the HTML section of this chatbot. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more updates like this.